Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. This is a little stone foundation renovation project we're doing out here pretty much in the heart of downtown Kansas City. This section is leaching a lot of water every time it rains, particularly this corner right here. It's pretty bad. You can see a lot of cracking. So what we're doing, as you can see, we've already started with a small base coat of our high-strength concrete mortar mix. We're mainly just filling all the gaps and the cracks first, and then what we're going to do, we'll mix it up a little bit thicker and just sponge it on there. That way we can smooth it out, get this looking really nice, not jagged and everything like it currently looks right now. We'll get this really smoothed out with that high-strength concrete mortar mix. And then once that dries, here probably first of the week on Monday morning, we'll simply come in here, paint from really side to side. We're starting from the side here, kind of just working our way back right over here to this post. And top to bottom, corner to corner, it's going to be mortared, and then Monday it's going to be painted with that white dry lock paint, and that will keep all of the water from continuing to infiltrate through this corner here. So stay tuned for more updates. This is going to look really transformed here on Monday. So again, you'll be able to find all those pictures and videos on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Again, just search for King Piers LLC if you have not visited before. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.